Nice to try
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You're rocking the boat.
Here, let me see. Okay, great. These are first class tickets. I can just trade these for 5 bucks each, and we're all set.
All right, but if we're all going to Japan, there's lots of preparation to do. We'll need passports, fresh underwear, a voltage converter for your nightlight.
I don't need a nightlight anymore. So you're sure the nightlight will work? We'll make sure. Then you think it'll work.
Hay nako, come back here. Balik dito, balik. Mauuntog ka na naman dyan eh.
This is our farm, little public